we're carrying some speed, looking good. And get it, man, go. Big brakes. Oh, 424, 444.
I might have been out of the box.
All right, guys, so here we are at the timed autocross. Simple course. We have a standing start. Take off as fast as you can, and then at the end, we get the car stopped in the box, and we're gonna see your time on the board over here. The one quickest lap takes the whole thing. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Hop in the cars.
I'm actually a little nervous. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do, but just one quick lap, that's all I want. One good lap.
Yeah, I guess it's similar to my golf, like, you know, round 1, 2, 3, you're kind of just building yourself up and then hopefully have a low one on Sunday, and same here, hopefully have a fast last lap.
All right, Shane.
Whenever you're ready, sir, you can go. Take off. Yeah, punch it. Nice.
Get those eyes up, looking all the way through the slalom, looking all the way through. Yep, just kind of steer it through.
I feel like I'm going so fast.
That was
I'm still
great.
not fast enough.
Nice job. He's starting to figure it out now.
Looks faster this lap.
Turn brakes and look right.
It's faster this lap.
Go.
Now we're carrying some speed, looking good. And get it, man, go. Big brakes. Oh, 24, 444.
I might have been out of the box.
All right, you ready? Go.
Go on, Fitz.
He sent it in there. Nice. Eyes up. Get him up.
Fitzy's better than me at this one, and I'm not happy about it. That is so good. Like, you would sit there and do that all day.
Big brakes, city, stop. Stay right there. 23041, but let me look. Let me look.
No, no.
I just wasn't going fast enough.
Please be in, please be in. Yes!
He's in with the 23041. Nice job.
Well, Fitzy won by a lot.
It was crazy because like I was watching your lap. He's like taking his time this one, getting used to the track, and I was like, okay, do the same. Every time it felt like we're flooring
Yeah,
it,
I
and you're
know.
not really like making that big a game.
I think I was scared a little bit to crash.
Yeah,
Especially
I'm
up
not
at
surprised.
the top
Yeah,
corner.
once
When
you
you're
get
going
into-
around the
yeah,
corner,
yeah,
I'm like, yeah.
I enjoyed this a lot. I
This has
didn't
been
enjoy my
way more
weekend of
enjoyable
golf.
than my golf lately.
Yeah.
This has definitely been
Yeah,
more enjoyable,
yeah.
and it's over quicker, so this is definitely better.
Yeah, yeah.